Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers speak and knowledge grows. Look at the example. Hashim buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 3,800. Write the statement in equation form. Solution. Let the price of 1 bat is equal to x and the price of 3 bats equal to 3x. Let the price of 1 ball equal to y and the price of 5 balls equal to 5y. According to condition, 3x plus 5y equal to 3800. This is linear equation in two variables, x and y. 3 is coefficient, 5 is coefficient, and this amount is constant. Look at the example. Sum of ages of Amna and Faiza is 25 years. Write the statement in an equation form with two variables. Solution. Let the age of Amna is equal to x year and age of Faiza equal to y years. Now according to condition, x plus y equal to 25. This is the required linear equation of two variables x and y. Look at the example. Twice the age of the father is equal to 4 times the age of his son plus 6. Find a relation between their ages. Solution. Let the age of the son equal to x. 4 times the age of the son, it means 4x. Let the age of the father equal to y. 2 times the age of father means 2y. According to given condition, 2y equal to 4x plus 6. Now combine 4x minus 2y equal to minus 6. This is the required linear equation in two variables x and y. 4 is coefficient, minus 2 is coefficient, and minus 6 is. Look at the question. Identify the linear equation in two variables. Justify your answer. Question number 1. 6x plus 3 equal to 0. This is a linear equation, but in only one variable, which is x. 7x minus 7y equal to 9. This is linear equation in two variables x and y. 2x minus 3y equal to 14. This is a linear equation in two variables x and y. 2x square plus 5y equal to 3. This is not a linear equation due to the term 2x square. 6x minus 8y square equal to 12. This is not a linear equation due to the term minus 8y square. 8x minus 2y equal to 10. This is a linear equation in two variables x and y. 16x square plus 2 equal to 8. 16x cube plus 2 equal to 8. This is not a linear equation due to the term 16x cube. Look at the question. Convert the following linear equations into standard form. Question number 1. Y equal to minus x minus 3. We can write x plus y equal to minus 3. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variables x and y. Question number 2. Y minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. We can write minus 3x plus y equal to 2. This is linear equation with two variables. Question number 3. Y minus 1 equal to 5 upon 3 into x plus 2. We can write 5x minus 3y equal to minus 13 as, according to cross multiplication, 3 into y minus 1 equal to 5 into x plus 2. Open the bracket. 3y minus 3 equal to 5x plus 10. 5x minus 3y equal to minus 13, which is right. Now question number 4. X minus 1 equal to 5y upon 3 minus 3. According to cross multiplication, 3 into x minus 1 equal to 5y minus 3. Open the bracket. 3x minus 3 equal to 5y minus 3. 3x minus 5y equal to 0. 3x minus 5y equal to 0 is the standard form of this linear equation. Question number 5. X minus 1 upon 2 equal to y plus 2 upon 3. According to cross multiplication, 3 into x minus 1 equal to 2 into y plus 2. Open the bracket. 3x minus 3 equal to 2y plus 4. 3x minus 2y equal to 7. This is the standard form of this linear equation. Another question number 6. 2x plus 1 upon 4 equal to y minus 1. According to cross multiplication, 2x plus 1 equal to 4 into y minus 1. 2x plus 1, this is equal to 4y minus 4. 2x minus 4y equal to minus 5. 2x minus 4y equal to minus 5 is the standard form of this linear equation. Look at the question. Construct the following statements into linear equations in two variables. Question number 1. The sum of two numbers is 11. Sum of two numbers is 11 can be written as x plus y equal to 11. Second, the price of two books and three pencils is rupees 90. Two books, three pencils equal to 90. The weight of Zainab is 1/3 of the weight of Hamid. X equal to 1 upon 3 y. The sum of 2 times of first number and 3 times of second number is 30. This can be written as 2x plus 3y equal to 30. Sum of ages of Hanya and Kashif is 26 years. X plus y equal to 26. The cost of 3 footballs and 7 basketballs is rupees 3000. 3 balls, 7 basketballs equal to 3000. If numerator and denominator of a fraction are decreased by 3, the fractions become 2 upon 3. This is numerator, this is denominator equal to the fraction 2 upon 3. This is the linear equation standard form, and this is the linear equations in a statement. Construct a linear equation in two variables for the following. First, 24 less than 2 times a number is equal to 3 times another number. We can write 2x minus 24 equal to 3y. Second, 15 added to a number equals twice another number. 15 is added to a number equals to twice another number. This can be written as C. A number subtracted from 8. Number subtracted from 8 and added to 4 times another number. Added to 4 times another number equals 20. This can be written as 8 minus x plus 4y equal to 20. Question D. 8 decreased by a number. 8 decreased by a number equals 5 added to another number equals 5 added to another number. E. Twice a number decreased by 7 equals 5 times another number. We can write 2x minus 7 equal to 5. Thrice a number equals to another number decreased by 2 equals to another number. Y minus 2 decreased by 2. We can write 3x equal to y minus. Construct a linear equation in the following statements. First, the length of 7 silver chain and 3 golden chains is 27 meters. 7 silver chain and 3 golden chain equal to 27. We can write 7x plus 3y equal to 27. The capacity of 8 buckets and 9 tubes is 121 liter together. 8 buckets, 9 tubes equal to 121. We can write 8x plus 9y equal to 121. The age of Hassan added to thrice the age of Nida is equal to 30 years. X plus 3y equal to 30. The price of 10 books and 3 notebooks is equal to 2950. 10x 3y equal to 2950. We can write in this form because there are two variables x and y. These are the coefficients. 10 coefficient, 3 coefficient and 2950 are constant. Look at the question. Construct a linear equation in two variables for the following. First, 2 subtracted from 4 times a number is equal to 4 times another number. Let x is a number and 4 times means 4x, 2 subtracted means minus 2, another number is y, 4 times means 4y. This can be written as 4x minus 2 equal to 4y. Second, 8 added to twice a number. 8 added to twice a number equals thrice another number. This can be written as 8 plus 2x equal to 3y. Thrice a number means 3y. Third, a number decreased by 3. A number decreased by 3 equals 4 times another number. Let x is a number, 3 decreased, x minus 3 equals to 4 times another number means 4y. 2 decreased by a number equal another number. 2 decreased by a number, x minus 2 equal to y. The mass of 3 rice bags and 5 sugar bags is 65 kg. This can be written as 3x plus 5y equal to 65. The price of 10 cakes and 4 sandwiches is rupees 6,800. This can be written as 10x plus 4y equal to 6,800. These are the linear equation in two variables x and y. Look at the question. Construct linear equations for each of the following. First, 13 is subtracted from twice a number gives 3. This can be written as 2x minus 13 equal to 3. 5 times a number increased by 9 is 39. 5 times plus 9 equal to 39. Third, a number subtracted from 5 is equal to 4 times the number itself. 5 minus x equal to 4x. For 1/4 of a number is double of 5. 1/4, it means x upon 4 equal to 10. The sum of twice a number and 12 is 24. 2x plus 12 equal to 24. 6 times the number is 10 more than the number itself. 6x equal to x plus 10. These are the linear equation in two variables x and y. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.